Welcome back to the Crypto Arc. This is Jay. I'm just gonna raw dog you with some bullish information on Thor finance right now. Before I get started, I just want to say nothing in my video is financial advice, so please do your own research. All right, let's take a look at the market. Okay, so this is the Fed. So as right now, the amount they have in repos is still the same as yesterday or similar, same level. So I don't see a big push happening in crypto just yet. However, I do see it just like consolidating. So, what if I did have some money, some extra money? I would definitely buy this dip, and that's not financial advice. All right, and here we have the Dixie, the dollar index going down. So this is definitely some positive signs for the market. Crude oil, so it's taking a bit of a hit. So that is negative signs for the market. So you have the dollar saying it's cool. You have the crude oil price saying it's bad. So let's see. Oh shit, yield rate. So this is another benchmark that you guys got to be paying attention to. It's been hovering from like 1.8 to 1.3, somewhere or 1.2, in between those ranges. Um, the only reason why they're able to do that is because I think the repos and I think they had like over 100 billion a month or something to manipulate the yield. Uh, so yeah, so we gotta pay attention. I mean, like we had that big pullback in the market earlier. Towards the end of the year, and you can see the yield rate going up too. So when you see this guy going up, that means it's gonna cause a pullback in the market. So this is like another one of those benchmarks that you gotta pay attention to. So overall, I do see the crypto market just um, just being stale, flat. As you can see, it didn't even do big moves. Market cap still at 2.1 trillion. Yeah, it's been hovering around that range. 2.1, 2.2 trillion, 2 trillion. But I do see a big push coming, guys. In Ontario right now, in Toronto, Canada, we are in lockdown, and we're getting our what I call it. I think small businesses are getting um, some government relief starting February. So I do see February as a good month for pushes. And this month I just see as an accumulation month. But of course, we still do have to pay attention to Bitcoin and Ethereum because these guys are the big ones. And wherever these guys go, the rest of the market follows. Other things to pay attention to are stable coins, once again, like USDC, USDT, and also Binance USD. So right now they're kind of like in the positive side. So that tells me that people are still fearful. Okay, they're not buying into assets and shit. And yeah, that's it for that one. All right, Thor Finance. So this guy has been going up slightly for the past couple of days, which is definitely good. The developers actually have been creating a lot of good buzz, and also they've been hard at work too. They just recently did another announcement, which I'm gonna show you guys. But once again, guys, the supply on this guy, it's only 20 million coins, so it's very scarce. Now with what they're doing, it's similar to it's basically DeFi as a service. They're not the first one to do this, but once again, with just the team and what they're doing, they're very consistent. And the Discord group is now it's cooled down a bit. A couple weeks ago, oh man, it was fire. Just reading the comments, it was like, oh man, a lot of negativity. But they've cooled down thanks to the developers and the moderators in there. They definitely did a good job, basically cooling everyone down, and also the mods have been hard at work. I'm gonna show you guys the announcement just now. Okay. Oh boy. Actually, that's Oh shit. New day. Wow. Okay. So we know today is an investment vote day, as noted in the investment calendar. So they basically bought an FTM validator node. So what exactly is a validator node here? I had to ask someone from the general chat what it was. FTM validator node. The validator node is a special type of full node that participates in consensus. By participating in consensus, validator nodes become responsible for verifying, voting, and maintaining a record of transactions. Here are the benefits. This node provides and acts as a source of additional revenue into Thor treasury. This node will support the FTM blockchain and will have no impact to Thor users in the Avax chain, as well as continue to operate on Avax chain. Additional benefits for them investing in a validator node for FTM. Thor users can stake FTM with Thor's validator node to earn staking rewards, much like standard node staking, and support a specific node. Setting up these nodes require investment from the treasury, ETA, January 10th, RPC endpoint nodes. Oh yes, I should read this to you guys. All right, so all DApps, or decentralized applications, need a way to communicate with blockchains. Without a means of communication, DApps won't be able to access information and make transactions in the blockchain on which they operate. This connection between the blockchain and DApps is facilitated by what's known as RPC nodes. A physical server can house multiple full nodes, and each full node has only one RPC endpoint. Endpoints are not currently compensated nor provided additional revenue into Thor treasury. That was a bunch of mumbo jumbo for me. I kid you not, man. I don't know what that means, but all I know is that yesterday they did make an announcement that they're gonna it's gonna receive an RPC endpoint. I don't know. That to me is still a bunch of mumbo jumbo, but I'm gonna move on. All right, so it's gonna be a large investment, and it takes 1 million FTM to set up a node. Jesus Christ. So let's take a look at the price of a FTM right now, man. Jeez. And yes, guys, I don't edit my videos. Like I said, you're getting raw dogged by bullish information here. So 240. So if you need 1 million of this, they need at least 2.4 million, or at this price. Jeez. Yeah, they got a lot in their hands. So let's see. By investing in a validator node for FTM, this will demonstrate to the larger DeFi community how serious they are about nodes. Which is definitely true, because they are in the nodes as a service thing right now. That also helps the FTM chain process transactions and improve the FTM chain overall, which is definitely good, because if they are investing our money into there, it better be helping them make more money too. I will give, and yeah, also guys, the way everything is being set up right now is everything's going to connect together and be working alongside each other. Like some NFT projects right now, I'm not gonna name the project. They're basically working on being a cross-chain compatible project where people can upload their NFTs using their protocol and then be able to send to like many different chains. So right now, let's say if you have an NFT on the Ethereum protocol, you can only move it using Ethereum addresses or along the Ethereum protocol. You can't do cross chains just yet. There could be some projects, but as of right now, I'm not aware of it, except for one. But I'm not going to talk about it in this video, okay? But yes, the idea of NFTs and nodes are going to be huge. Let's see, this will give Asgardians and the larger crypto community a chance to delegate their FTM holdings and receive an APR. So that is definitely good. So if you're an FTM holder, you are definitely winning. Will provide a consistent, albeit lower, return to the treasury, completely independent of market conditions. With the current negative price action of FTM, it makes the timing right for such a larger purchase and endeavor. That's definitely true. Right now we're taking a dip in the market, so definitely a good time to buy. Let's see. So, why FTM not AVAX? FTM as of right now, possesses the highest APY of any chain for validator nodes and possesses a new chain for people to find Thor through. This is why they've chosen the FTM. This node is a validator node, so it actually processes transactions in the network. And as of right now, the price for Thor is $36.99, and this is how many nodes um, there are for Thor. But that's just Thor, guys. For Odin node holders like me, it should be lower than that, but these things are limited. So I'm just letting you guys know. It's still a brand new project. Once again, this is super risky. They've only been out for like a month, but their developers are working really hard and they're very transparent. Always talking to the community, reassuring everyone in the community, and that's what I like. You know, they have a very amazing team. And let's see, was it here? Or I think it was in the FAQ. They are hiring more staff. Let's see. So basically, hiring is one of their major focuses this year. They're growing a lot, and they'll continue to need more people in the team to push closer. Oh, yeah. And yes, I do see that being reflected in the general chat. There's less negativity now and more happy posting. And whenever someone has a question, like Yusuf over here, this guy's doing an amazing job, man. I had some questions, and this guy answered right away. And also, there was another dude that helped me answer a lot of questions. I can't remember his or her name, but yeah, this team right here, guys, they're doing a really good job. So I am bullish on Thor. Oh, this is not Thor. Whoa. See what the current price is. I'm gonna show you guys the overall chart for this. There's a price action, and this guy's pretty fucking sick. Oh boy, come on, man, come on. I'm gonna click the one. Oh, all right. So they started around here earlier December. Now I moved in around here. I thought I got the right dip. It just kept on dipping. So right now, this is when like the big negativity started around here, man. Jeez, because what happened was people kept on selling their Thor rewards, and it caused the price to basically drop down. And then developers were going nuts on work, basically finding ways to sustain it. And yes, they made a lot of announcements to help us develop more confidence towards the project. So, damn, they went through a lot, man. You guys have no idea. And yes, there are a lot of updates happening this month. Their developers are working on it right now. So, yeah, that is all I have for you guys in this video. So, actually, let me talk about it a little bit more. So once again, with this project, if you own a node, you're basically getting passive income for life. Now, the rate of it is going to change. It's not going to be the same all the time. Right now, they promised like 0.7 Thor if you have a Thor node, but now it's like 0.33. That's not it. That's not what I wanted to show you guys. Launch the app. There we go. So with this guy, what I plan on doing is just accumulating more Odins now. Oh, I don't want to connect. Oh boy, it didn't show. Ah, lame. If I don't connect it, it doesn't show you like the rewards and stuff. Oh well, I should log in with my brother's laptop or computer, do a video there. But anyways, yes, they have 4 different nodes. Each one will give you different sort of rate. Odin right here will give you the most rate. This is Thor, this is Freya, Hindal. When you have all 4, you get this thing called God mode, which basically allows you to compound all your rewards into just any of these tiers. For me, I want to aim for more Odins. And in the future too, guys, they're going to be turned into an NFT, so you can start selling your nodes to people in the later future, or the near future, I should say. So that is Thor Finance for you guys. For those of you that are new to this channel and this pick, basically mutual funds or mutual funds on steroids right now because crypto's still brand new, man. You're still early in the game if you're listening to it right now, as of January 9, 2022. All right, I'm gonna end the video now. Take care. Also press the like button. Also share my video as well and subscribe because I'm gonna be making more videos since we're in lockdown. So I got a little bit more time on my hands, which is good. Anyways, bye.